YouTubers, welcome back to Promation Nation. Are you seeking the latest in robotic dispensing technology? Well, look no further than the Promation QS-800 high-speed inline dispensing solution. Featuring a robust, high-precision robotic gantry and intuitive Navi software, Promation's delivering the latest technological innovations in the robotic dispensing category. Now, before diving in, I'd like to remind you to click that like and subscribe button to stay tuned with all of our latest product launches and new product introductions. Now, without further delay, let's dive in.
Speed, accuracy, reliability. In modern electronics manufacturing, these are the qualities that separate good processes from world-class ones, and that's exactly why the Promation QS-800 inline dispensing system is here to redefine what's possible. The QS-800 is designed for today's high-demand SMT lines. It delivers precision dispensing of adhesives, solder paste, and specialty materials directly in line, ensuring seamless integration into your production flow. At its core, the QS-800 combines servo-driven motion control with an advanced dispensing platform. This means pinpoint accuracy, consistent volume deposits, and repeatable results, board after board, shift after shift. No need for manual handling or offline bottlenecks. The QS-800 mounts seamlessly into your SMT line, keeping production moving at full speed. With its high-resolution vision alignment, the QS-800 guarantees every deposit is placed exactly where it needs to be, eliminating costly rework. From adhesives and encapsulants to specialty coatings, the QS-800 adapts to your unique manufacturing needs. Multiple dispensing heads and programmable patterns put you in total control. By automating dispensing in line, you reduce operator handling, minimize material waste, and drive higher first-pass yields. The QS-800 was built with operators in mind. A user-friendly touchscreen interface makes programming easy, while smart diagnostics reduce downtime and keep your line productive. In today's fast-paced electronics industry, the difference between success and failure often comes down to process control. The Promation QS-800 delivers the accuracy, reliability, and efficiency your line demands. Upgrade your production, improve your yield, trust Promation.
Well, everyone, this concludes our brief overview on the Promation QS-800 high-speed inline dispensing solution. If you like this solution and would like to view our complete product offering, be sure to visit us online at www.promationusa.com. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time, and remember to go pro.
Promation USA, your trusted automation partner.